Hi, I'm Ryan Duguid, Senior Vice President of Technology Strategy at Nintex, and today I'm going to walk you through a demonstration that showcases the combined power of the Nintex Workflow Cloud and the Box file sharing and collaboration platform. This simple yet powerful demo centers around the curation and distribution of digital assets, addressing the need for asset review, publishing, tagging, and notifications. Along the way, I'll show you how we've integrated the Workflow Cloud into the Box UI, tap into the Box platform to move files and manage metadata, leverage Box skills to drive intelligent content processing, and push messages out to the wider organization leveraging Slack. Process, you'll see, has three main components. First, a photographer uploads a new asset to a review folder within Box. I could easily trigger a workflow automatically on upload, or based on a change in metadata properties, but today I'll be manually triggering the approval process. Once the workflow starts, I'll show you how easy it is for the asset manager to review the photo, then approve the asset for distribution to the wider organization. At that point, the photo is moved to a public location where it will be tagged with relevant metadata. It's at this point in the process where Box skills come into play, leveraging powerful AI to analyze the photo, understand its contents, then tag the photo with metadata that facilitates classification, retention, and discovery. Finally, a message is posted to a company-wide Slack channel with a link to the photo so that it's easy to access. Let's start by taking a look at the workflow that drives this process. Here we are in the Workflow Cloud Designer, where you can configure the event that triggers a workflow and model the process using a broad range of logic operations and integrations with key line of business systems. In this case, the workflow has been connected to a review folder in Box and configured to be manually triggered from the Nintex Box application. At the start of the workflow, we're retrieving a link to the photo that will be sent to the approver so they can quickly review the photo, then kicking off an approval process using a capability called Express Approval. Express Approval enables a reviewer to respond to a workflow task directly within their inbox, saving valuable time switching between applications. Assuming the photo is approved, it will be tagged with information about the reviewer and the workflow status, then moved to a public location. After that, we'll get a new link to the final location of the photo and post that to a Slack channel. Let's see the workflow in action. Here we are in Box, and I've already navigated to the review folder. I can quickly drag the photo from my desktop to the browser and upload it to Box ready for review. To start the process, I need to access Nintex Workflow for Box, an app that I've already installed from the Box App Store. To access the app, I just need to click on the three dots, select Integrations, then select Nintex Workflow. This launches the Nintex app, which shows me a list of workflows that can be manually triggered. You can see I have a photo approval process, so to get things going, I simply click the Run Workflow button, wait for the notification that the workflow has started, then click Done. At this point, I'm free to carry on with my day, safe in the knowledge that the photo will either be approved or I'll get notified there are issues that I need to address. Now that the workflow is underway, an approval email has been sent to the appropriate reviewer, so let's switch to their inbox and see how the Express Approval process works. Most people spend their lives in Outlook or Gmail, so the best way to get someone's attention and keep the process moving forward is to push a task to their inbox. In this case, I'm in Gmail, and you can see I've already received an email asking me to review the new photo. I can click on the link to see the photo, and then simply reply to the email with approve or reject. I'll type in approve, and then click send, and then my job as a reviewer is done. Having approved the photo, it's back to Nintex to wrap things up. Let's look at the folder where we store published assets. As you can see, the photo has been automatically moved to this folder, but more importantly, Box image skills are at work, so already the photo has been processed, all relevant metadata has been extracted, and the photo has been tagged accordingly. If I click on Details, you can see the metadata, where all the information about the workflow has been updated, along with a rich complement of tags that provide a detailed description of the contents of the photo. Lastly, it's time to update the rest of the organization to let them know that a new photo is available in the corporate asset repository. To do that, the workflow composes a message and posts it to Slack. A link to the photo is included so that it's easy to access, and with that, the workflow is complete. Thanks to the sophistication, ease of use, and intelligence of the Nintex Workflow Cloud and Box platform, you can build an approval process like this in a matter of minutes, driving efficiency in your business, improving your adherence to compliance standards, and addressing the demand for digital transformation. If you'd like to learn more about how Nintex and Box can help you transform the way you work, visit nintex.com and box.com and start building workflows today.